Number 6. Aluminum material type manual, display type analog. Glass fold over glass with double push button and safety. Metal stem, no metal stem. Case material of this watch is stainless steel. Case diameter of this watch is 42 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Strap band material stainless steel. Band length main standard, band width 24 millimeters. Water resistant depth is 660 feet. Number 5. Case diameter 44 millimeters. Japanese-Quartz movement. Water resistant 200 meter of this watch. Band material leather, band length 9.5 inches. Number 4. Class push button deployment class. Metal stem, no metal stem. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 46 millimeters. Case thickness 12.9 millimeters. Band material stainless steel. Band length main standard. Band width 22 millimeters. Band color silver. Dial color black. Bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function stationary. Calendar date. Number 3. Display type analog. Case diameter of this watch is 46 millimeters. Case thickness of this watch is 15.3 millimeters. Band width 24 millimeters. Movement Japanese-Quartz. Number 2. Case material stainless steel. Case shape round. Case color silver. Dial window material type glass. Display type analog. Case diameter 49 millimeters. Case thickness 18 millimeters. Band width 19 millimeters. Band color black, water resistant, depth 200 meters. Special feature second hand, atom weight 6.24 ounces. Number 1. Dial window material type glass. Display type digital, class deployment class. Case material stainless steel, case diameter 46 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters, movement automatic. Band material stainless steel, water resistant, depth 30 meters. Band width 22 millimeters, band color silver. Dial color black, bezel material stainless steel. Eco drive technology powered by light, any light.